The House Judiciary Committee and Subcommittee on the Weaponization of the Federal Government presented evidence this week indicating that during the Wuhan coronavirus (COVID-19) pandemic, President Biden and his administration pressured Amazon to hide books critical of vaccines on its platform. In compliance, Amazon reportedly reduced the visibility of certain key titles deemed threatening by the Biden administration because they exposed the alleged dangers of Big Pharma's vaccines. Documents reveal that some of the censored books had no direct connection to COVID or its vaccines, while others were authored by medical professionals. Several titles were simply reviews of scientific studies addressing vaccine safety and efficacy. In total, more than 40 books and materials were placed on the Biden administration's Do Not Promote list, which Amazon adhered to throughout the pandemic to prevent the public from accessing information. Related, a new study has found that individuals who received the COVID vaccine are more likely to die early compared to their unvaccinated family and friends. Censorship is Biden's forte. In a series of posts on X, Judiciary Committee Chair Rep. Jim Jordan, RO, publicly disclosed internal emails from Amazon employees showing that the request to block the books was driven by criticism from the Biden administration. Internal emails reveal that Amazon initially added 43 books to its newly created Do Not Promote class of allegedly anti-vaccine books, Jordan wrote. These pro-censorship changes were made due to criticism from the Biden people. Even some children's books were censored because they were deemed too supportive of unvaccinated individuals. A number of parenting books teaching how to raise children without vaccines were also removed because the Biden administration found them too convincing in persuading parents to avoid vaccines. There is nothing the Biden administration and the elites hate more than parents making their own decisions about their children's education, health, and values, Jordan stated, sharing a screenshot of The Vaccine Book, Making the Right Decision for Your Child, Sears Parenting Library, by Robert W. Sears, Maryland. Biden claimed that these books were full of misinformation harmful to the public, especially as Operation Warp Speed was being launched. However, the truth is that the books on the list were too revealing about the dangers of vaccination for the administration's liking. Ironically, the Biden administration has repeatedly accused Republicans of engaging in nationwide book banning. The reality is that the left is currently the only side attempting to ban books. Don't let the Biden administration tell you that their censorship campaign was about concerns of misinformation going viral on social media, Jordan argued. They were targeting books too. This has always been about suppressing disfavored views, not addressing the purported challenges of new technologies. If there is one thing the Biden administration excels at, it is censorship.